Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here back in Kuta area because I have few requests actually to see around in this area. Firstly, I need to walk around Hard Rock Hotel and then to see the beach around the area, and also I think to see a bar. Let's see later, and let's just enjoy walking around here and see the situations at the moment, guys. And this is the situation here, Jalan Pantai Kuta. It's not really busy, no traffic jam at the moment. And here in the front of us, that is Mercure Hotel, Kuta. For you that planning to stay here, that is the hotel, guys. I don't know the room, but the location is very good. It's close by from the mall, the restaurant, the beach. You just need to cross the street and you will arrive at the beach. And right there, they have a, what is that? Pizza Hut. And for you that requesting me to walk around Hard Rock Hotel, that is actually the Hard Rock Hotel. I think it is kind of like a good hotel, especially in this area. Last time I tried to came there, but I was not allowed to see the room. Maybe when you stay there, you can invite me to go inside, and I will be able to show other people how is this hotel, guys. Yeah, so that is the hotel location. It is also a good location, close to the beach. They have their own cafe or bar, Hard Rock bar. They have their shops. If you want to go to the mall, it's also not really far. You can go to Beach Walk Mall, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes walk. Or if you want to go to other mall, which is, let's say, Discovery Mall, you can walk to the beach side, guys. Let's do walking to Discovery Mall through the beach. So for you that would like to know the situations of Kuta Beach, you can see it. Anyway, we got like a few days raining on and off, and yeah, maybe some of you saw the situations in Kuta from other YouTubers, and today I will show it for you guys. So this is the situations today. As you can see, the weather is perfect today. Sun shining. You will see very beautiful sunset. Look at that. It's nice sunset, but the beach is a little bit dirty, guys. Not bad, just a little bit. Some trash there. And I think it will get cleaned very fast, and you will be able to enjoy the beach again. Yeah, this is the situation. So in this area, the erosion is quite bad. Yeah, as you can see, they're putting like a lot of rocks here, and the sand is down there. Yeah, hopefully the government will have a way or idea how to fix this beach, guys, because, or maybe they need to put more sands and put wave breaker a little bit there, maybe. I don't know, I'm just guessing. But so far this area is quite busy, guys. I came to Canggu area last time, and it was not really busy. It was quiet at the Brawa Beach and also at the Batu Bolong Beach. And this area in Kuta Beach, look at this, guys. It's really busy actually. Maybe this area is your favorite, maybe. You always come and stay or visit this area. But what happened here? Wow, look at this, guys. It looks bad actually here. Before there were a lot of sands here, but now the sand's gone. Before, a lot of people used to see just next to these trees, and now it's gone. Yeah, I don't know what is the solution for this. Yeah, look at that. Or maybe we need to put some more trees here, maybe. So what do you think? You have any idea how to fix this beach? Because this is like very popular, especially the Australians. Yeah, a lot of you guys from Australia like to come and enjoy your bintang or beer here. Some people need to sit in front of the bar stalls now. Before they normally sit like behind of the bar, guys. Now because of I think the sand's gone, so they need to sit here. Wow, look at that. Actually, no scooter allowed. Yeah, I don't know where is she from. But look at this. Robbie's Bar. All the bars here, I think they're doing good. Most of them, they have their customers. But this area, still, there's space for people to sit, guys. The backside here. Yeah, still people can sit and enjoy the time here at the beach. But this is what happened, guys. They really need to find solution actually for this. Okay, let's continue. Anyway, very loud music here from this hotel. Tantram Hotel. Maybe they are having a special dinner. Eddie's Bar. Any of the bar guy here, your favorite? That you always come? Here is Rudy Bar. Rudy maybe still busy. This area still good, yeah? There is some space here. I don't know what happened on that side. The erosion's quite bad actually. Here is a bit better. At least more sands here. Okay, let's just keep walking. Wow, this menu looks good, yeah. It's really inviting actually. I thought this one is lawar, yeah, but it's salad, burger, many things here. And you can see the price as well.
Good food.
Good food?
Yes.
Good
everything
food?
Good.
Everything good?
Yes.
But the
Hey, how are you?
good. Harrison. Wow,
Harrison food.
You know Harrison?
Harrison food. Everything
Harrison
good food.
Everything good food.
Ya.
Udah berapa lama di sini jualan?
Udah 12
tahun.
tapi belajar masih nggak pernah.
Oh, 12 tahun di
Ya.
sini. Berarti tahun berapa mulainya?
2000 berapa ya? Udah nggak itu dah.
Udah lama.
Masih ya, lama.
Gimana di sini bisnis di Kuta?
Ya. Bagus lah.
Bagus ya?
Di Jawa lah.
Kalau timbang di Jawa
Kita,
bagus di sini ya?
Nggak tahu gimana. Soalnya gimana ya, betah lah di sini.
Kalau sekarang masih bulan sepi ya?
Masih bulan sepi, tapi sekarang ini semenjak habis corona itu agak gitu lah.
Agak gini ya?
Ya? Sekarang kan
habis
pariwisata kan
corona ya?
banyak. Bukan di Kuta aja.
Oh gitu. Bagaimana harapan Bapak ke depannya, terutama untuk pariwisata Bali dan khususnya tempat di sini, pantai di sini, areal sini?
Semoga pariwisatanya lebih baik dan seterusnya tambah maju.
Oh gitu ya.
Ya.
Terus kalau untuk tempat ini gimana Pak?
Kalau di sini,
Ya,
kalau di sini tetaplah, kalau meskipun kayak gini tamu tuh masih tetap di sini.
Di sini
Soalnya
ya?
dulu ini kan yang diutamakan di Pantai Kuta. Ya, jadi tamu meskipun gimana, pun kotor gimana tetap di sini.
ya semoga lebih bersih
Lebih
ya.
bersih ya.
Lebih diperhatikan lah ya.
Ya.
Oke lah. Oke, makasih ya.
Ya, terima
Pak
kasih sama-sama.
Harrison ya?
Harrison
Ya.
Food. Jangan lupa kalau pantai ke Kuta ya. Jangan lupa ke Harrison. Oke?
Ya, semoga lancar bisnisnya ya.
Amin.
It was nice actually to chat with Harrison. He's selling food here, guys. So if you want to have some food, Indonesian food, you can come to his warung. Okay, let's just keep walking and let's see the other side of Kuta Beach. And here, there is a warung, guys. Warung de Bangsal, Kuta. I think it's also a nice place to spend some time, especially when you want to drink a beer, maybe. Food, I don't know if they have food here, but mostly you can have your bintang there. And here, as you can see, there are a lot of sands and rock. I think the government started to fix this beach, guys. It must be like a big job to do to fix this beach. Look at that, a lot of rocks there. Let's go there. Yeah, they have like, there's excavator here. So I think they start to fix the beach from here. A lot of rocks. So this is what they are doing to fix the beach. A lot of jobs to do. So let's just hope the beach will get better so people can enjoy and keep coming back to this beach, guys. And this is the situation. I think this is the Bali Garden Resort. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, very strong wind, but the weather is good, guys. At least no rain and beautiful sunset here. Would you like to stay in this hotel, maybe? And how about this project? What do you think it will be? A beach club? Hopefully not. Or a restaurant, maybe? There is no sign or poster about the project, so let's see in the future what it will be. And let's have a look here at the mall. I mean the beach side of the mall. Normally they will have something like dance or something like that. Pak, mau bangun apa ya? Oh, restoran. Oh, gede ya. I asked one of the worker actually, and he said they are building restaurant. Yeah, so let's see in the future. Look at this here, guys. It's really busy here. But mostly, I think the local people, they like to spend their time here. A lot of people love to do jogging because the jogging track here, it will lead you to go to German Beach, guys. It is quite good actually for walking, but it's very windy. And here, unfortunately, I think the dance was done. What time now? It is 6:30. I think it was fire dance. Came a bit late, unfortunately. And a lot of people like to spend the time here, guys, at the food station here. It is a good concept actually. Yeah, people can sit, but unfortunately, maybe they can't see anything because look at the people here. A lot of people just standing here enjoying the beach and sunset. So the people sitting in the back there can't see anything actually. It's a bit cloudy, but still very beautiful, guys. So what do you think about this area in Kuta? You want to come here to stay or just visit maybe? Okay, so I think that's all for today's short walk from this area. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.